Hi friends, here is a very simple problem. The sum of all terms of the arithmetic progression having 10 terms except for the first term is 99. Right, second term to 10th term is 99. And except for the sixth term is 89. Find the third term of the progression if the sum of first and fifth term is equal to 10. Right. So let us just carefully look at this problem and because there is a small trick here. Let's see. Here, sum of first term and fifth term is equal to 10. Let us write the terms A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And they are saying there are how many terms having 10 terms? A6, A7, A8, A9, and A10. Now, sum of first and fifth terms is equal to 10. First and fifth. Right. To take first and fifth, what is the average? Average of first and fifth? It should be A3, right? Any term that if take the average of any arithmetic progression is always the middle one, right? Remaining ones. Average of A1 and A5 should be A3, A2 and A4 also should be A3, right? We can write it mathematically also. For example, if we take A1 as A1 and A2 is A1 plus D, A3 is A1 plus 2D, A4 is A1 plus 3, A5 is A1 plus 4D. Right, what is A1 plus A5 then? A1 plus A7 will be A1 plus 4D, which is 2A1 plus 4D, which is equal to 2 times A1 plus 2D. What is A1 plus 2D? Which is 2A3. Right, 2 times A1 plus 2D is A2 times A3 because A3 is A1 plus 2D. Similarly, A2 plus A4, we can A2 plus A4 will also become A2 A1 plus B plus 3D, which is 14, which is also again 2 times A3. So basically, any arithmetic progression you take, the middle one is always the average one between between the ones which are on its right and left. Right. So here it is given if the sum of first and fifth term is 5. So if A1 plus A5 should be 2A3. Right. What is the third term? 2A3 is 10. That means A3 should be 5. It is as simple as this. We don't even need to worry about what is this 99, 89, all this nonsense. Right. It is just a straightforward problem. Just that giving all this unnecessary information, we are they are trying to confuse us. Right. But we will not get confused. We'll just use the statement and then just derive that A3 is equal to 5. Right, guys?